$6 revaluation? The Iraqi Dinar's explosive 2025 shift. What you must know now. Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar Rate channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And a huge thank you to our growing YouTube family for helping us cross 500 subscribers. Your support means everything, and today's update is one you simply can't afford to miss. The bold prediction: a $6 exchange rate for the IQD. Yes, you read that right, $6 per Iraqi dinar. At first glance, it might sound like a wild fantasy, but recent developments in Iraq suggest this may be more realistic than most think. From behind-the-scenes central bank moves to groundbreaking economic reforms, Iraq may be positioning itself for a monetary revolution in 2025. Let's explore why this moment could change everything for dinar holders around the globe. Iraq in 2025. Standing at a financial crossroads. For over a decade, the Iraqi dinar, IQD, has remained undervalued on the international stage. But things are changing, and fast. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is making strategic, silent policy moves aimed at rebalancing the currency and preparing for what many are now calling a controlled financial reset. If successful, this reset could place the dinar at an unprecedented $6 valuation against the US dollar. Why was the dinar so low? The IQD has floated around 1,300 IQD to 1 USD, largely due to post-war instability, heavy US dollar dependence, lack of diversified revenue streams, low investor confidence. But 2025 has brought a tidal wave of change, and it may soon transform the dinar from a stagnant currency to a global powerhouse. What is the CBI doing? Behind closed doors, Iraq's central bank has been tightening the money supply, modernizing monetary policy, retrieving hoarded IQD globally, reducing international IQD leakage, launching a digital payment ecosystem. These actions show that the CBI isn't just preparing for change, it's engineering it. Why $6? Is that even possible? It's not just about wealth, it's about strategy. Iraq's oil wealth provides real backing. High oil prices in 2025, $85, $95 per barrel, fuel government reserves. A $6 rate would restore national pride, increase consumer buying power, and attract foreign investment. It reduces Iraq's reliance on the US dollar and empowers local industries. In short, a stronger dinar would reshape the Iraqi economy and redefine its place on the world stage. The biggest threat: hyperinflation. Revaluing a currency is not without risk. If too many dinars flood back into Iraq too quickly, the country could face dangerous inflation. That's why the CBI is limiting international IQD exchanges, implementing strict exchange laws, encouraging citizens to return physical dinars, controlling the timing and manner of the revaluation. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a deliberate, phased process. Infrastructure and these developments lay the groundwork for a resilient economy, one that can sustain a stronger currency. The geopolitical angle: Iraq's smart diplomacy. In 2025, Iraq is playing a new diplomatic game, strengthening ties with China, India, and Middle Eastern powers, positioning itself as a trade hub in a post-oil Gulf economy, building trust in the international market, and trust drives currency value. A strong dinar won't happen unless the world believes in Iraq. The CBI knows this, and they're acting accordingly. The Investor's Guide. What should you do now? If you're holding IQD, you could be sitting on life-changing value, but only if you're prepared. Here's what you should be doing. Stay informed. Monitor CBI and government announcements. Avoid rumors. Stick to credible, trackable updates. Engage. Join dinar forums and economic communities. Think long-term. Don't expect overnight change. Watch for phases. The revaluation will likely come in steps. What happens if the dinar hits $6? Let's break it down. 1 million dinars times $6 equals $6 million USD. For many investors, that's retirement-level wealth. But again, patience and timing are key. Be ready for policy updates, new denominations, or even a managed float system. It's more than just money, it's Iraq's future. A $6 exchange rate isn't just a financial event. It's a symbolic milestone. It represents a rebirth of Iraq's economy, a signal to the world that Iraq is back, a reward for those who believed in the country's recovery. This isn't about overnight riches. It's about watching a nation rebuild from the ground up and aligning your strategy with that vision. Final thoughts. Is 2025 the year of the dinar? All signs point to something big. The CBI's actions, economic reforms, infrastructure projects, digital advancements, and oil-backed reserves suggest that Iraq may indeed be preparing for a historic revaluation. Whether the final rate is $6 or something close, the signs are too loud to ignore. So stay informed, be alert, because when the revaluation comes, it won't be a slow rise. It will be a financial earthquake. Call to action. If this article gave you new insight, make sure to like it, share with fellow IQD holders, comment below. Are you holding dinars? What's your plan if revaluation hits? And don't forget to subscribe to the Iraqi Dinar Rate channel for daily updates, breaking news, and deep dives into this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.